Solo travel secrets, tips and tricks for a successful solo adventure. Hi everyone. Welcome to the first video of my channel. My name is Lily and today we're talking about traveling solo. Traveling solo can be a truly enriching and empowering experience. You get to set your own pace, see the things that interest you, and truly connect with the world around you. For many of us, traveling alone can be a scary and daunting experience. But with the right preparation and mindset, it can also be one of the most liberating and fulfilling experiences of your life. First things first, research your destination. Get familiar with the local customs, laws, and potential safety concerns. This will give you peace of mind and help you prepare for your trip. Next, plan your itinerary. Accommodations. Keep in touch with loved ones while you're away. Make sure someone knows your itinerary and how to reach you in case of emergency. And don't forget to take care of yourself. Stay safe, be mindful of your surroundings, and take care of your physical and mental health. Embrace the opportunity to get to know yourself and reflect on your experiences. Traveling solo is a chance to step out of your comfort zone, learn new things, and make memories that will last a lifetime. So don't let the thought of traveling solo hold you back. Take the leap, be open-minded, and have fun. Thanks for tuning into my channel. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel tips and adventures. See you in the next one.